Welcome to the installation video of Fishbone Off-Road's scale armor for the 2007 through 2018 Jeep JK Wrangler 2-door and 4-door variants. Step 1. Remove any parts such as side steps and rock sliders in order to make drilling and installation easier. Step 2. We recommend you cover the working area with masking tape to prevent unnecessary scratches of paint and to make marking hole locations easier if you're working with a dark colored vehicle. Step 3. With the help of a friend or door clamps while the doors are open, hold the scale armor up to the vehicle. Ensure the gaps around the door are even front to back and the armor is level with the bottom of the door. For the 2-door version, mark 3 holes under the door. For the 4-door, mark 2 upper holes between the doors. Place the scale armor aside, while taking care not to dent the body, and with a center punch or small drill bit in hand, gently tap the center of each mark or create a pilot hole. Step 4. Drill the center punched holes or pilot holes using a 23/64 drill bit, while taking care to not drill through the inner panel. Clean the drilled holes of any burrs or chips using a cotton swab and paint. Touch in any bare metal from the drilling process to prevent rust. Any paint color will work, as the nutsert will cover it. Remove the tape from around the holes. This will prevent the tape from getting caught in the nutsert. Step 5. Use the supplied nutsert or recommended handheld tool to install a nutsert into each drilled and painted hole. If you need assistance on how to use the tools, view the nutsert instruction section or the tool's manufacturer instructions. Step 6. With the first 2 or 3 nutserts in place, bolt the armor onto the body. Double check the alignment around the doors and fenders and begin marking the remaining upper bolt hole locations. Do not mark the hole locations below the bend at this time. With the part on or off, center punch or pre-drill the hole locations. Constantly check previous marked holes for alignment to ensure they are exactly where they need to be. Remove the armor once again and drill all remaining holes and install nutserts per steps 4 and 5. Step 7. Bolt the armor back on and mark all remaining lower holes. Remove the part and drill all holes and install the final nutserts for this side per step 4 and 5. Step 8. Loosely install all hardware into the part to ensure everything is lined up straight. Step 9. Tighten the armor while taking care not to over-tighten to avoid spinning a nutsert. Finally, repeat all procedures for the opposite side of the vehicle. Once all the hardware has been secured, then it's time to head out and enjoy your new Fishbone Off-Road scale armor.